Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the navigation bottom tabs. So this is the tutorial on that material bottom tab navigator. So first of all let me connect to my Ndesk and show you the demo first what exactly it is. So let me connect to the Ndesk and Ndesk is open and just connect it, accept, waiting for the image, cancel again, accept, start now. Okay. So you can see that we have the bottom navigation with home, updates and profile. You can see that, right? So we are going to add this and we can move. If I go to the updates, it will go to the notification screen. It will go to the profile screen. So this bottom navigation we are going to add, and how we are going to add, let's take a look. So first of all, I have followed this tutorial bottom navigator. So basically what we have to do, we have to install this React navigation bottom tabs first with React Native with animations, React Native paper basically for the animations. After this, we have the function that is called tab navigator where we are passing the component home screen settings. Okay. So let's dive into the code. So what we have installed and check. So in my code, I have created that is profile.js, that's basic screen. Okay. And after that, we a notification that is already in the previous video that we are using the same code feed.js, that is the previous one, correct? After that, we have my tabs.js where we have this vector components. We are not going to use it, and right, and this so we have to include create material bottom tab navigator, right? Because we have already mentioned my tab is equal to create bottom tab navigator, we can cut it and X, and we have to write it over here so it looks good, right? Okay. And after this, in the tab navigator we have to define the tab. So it is tab navigator initial route, that is feed. So we have mentioned that initial route is feed.js. You can see that initial route is feed.js. This is feed.js totally, right? And initial route we have mentioned, label, font size and background color we have mentioned. After that, when we tap on screens, so it will go into the feed that have the tab color icon home. So you can see that if you click on the this feed one, so first one is basically feed, second one is for the notification screen, or you can see that for the second one that we move tab, if we tap the screen it moves to the notifications component, then a tab on the profile it will go to the account screen, or if you can pass it like a user, and also it will give you the user. So you can see that user icon is there, so it will go to the home, updates, profile, right? So we can switch into with the help of these tabs, correct? So all these files, if you're when you have created this files, then you need to include my tabs.js in app.js, that we have to include in app.js. I have included my tabs. Previously we have used my drawer for the navigation. If I go and copy this my drawer, so then we can also add my drawer also, and see what's gonna happen. Material bottom. Another navigator is already registered for this container. Multiple navigators under single navigation container screen. Make sure each navigator is under separate screen. Okay, so that means we have already my drawer already. This is a navigator, so it should be not used in the same container, right? So it should be only one. So we will load the app and check. Load the app. Or you can simply kill first and reload it. So it's reloading. So now it's coming. Okay, so this is how we can generate the bottom navigation tab perfectly. Okay, so if you have any query in that, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment so that I can upload more videos on the various platforms. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.